Afternoon, my name is Bruce Welter. I'm with Unilock Midwest. Today's something we've got really cool going on, and it's a new U-Cara base cabinet system. This cabinet system is a metal framework, right? And we're going to put one together here today in front of you, demonstrate how that easily this goes together. But it's part of a kitchen assembly that you can do in the field. And what we find is that it's very simple to put together, and it's going to be a lot of labor savings involved in this. So again, we'll put one together right now. Comes pretty well packaged like this, ordered package. One of the things you're going to notice, we're going to have some gloves on here because some of the metal on here does have some sharp edges. So safety obviously is always a concern. This is a base cabinet, and this is the longest side here, and these all dimension out to the lengths of the U-Cara panels. So when you're using this system and then you're veneering it with U-Cara, you're not going to have to do any cutting with any material. So that's kind of the cool thing too on the labor savings element there. Got the other cabinet here. Let's grab this. You hold that one and I'll put it right. All right. Got that. Also inside this package, you're going to see some supports that are taped together. Alright, this is the top support. We'll get to that here in a little bit. These are the corner supports. Alright, I'm actually looking for the hardware package. It's obviously in this other container here. Alright, now 8 bolts are going to hold this together. So we got that. I'll hold this. Got it. These angle supports are just going to go across and connect the length. We're just going to hand tight right now. All right, and the opposite side. I'll go from the lower one, and I'll do the opposite side. Each bolt's going to come with a lock washer. Our 9/16 inch head, 3/8 threaded bolt. And one nice thing, just this cabin alone, you can make a quick, easy fire table, standalone grill. One of the things that I found in using this is that I can assemble this structural frame and then apply any veneer that I so choose to do. So with U-Cara, you've got the Umbreon finishes, the combination of finishes that you sold into the installation. Okay, fine. He's going to hand tighten that one, and I'm going to start. Also, what you're going to find in this is self-tapping screws. So when we connect one cabinet unit to the next, this is the material that we're going to use to do that. These are brackets. These are brackets for our countertop right here. They're installed like this, and they'll be driven up through the bottom so that I remain flush here. When I drive that screw up, I'll grind that top screw off on that, but these are adjustable, so I can, whatever rough opening I so choose to use, whether for a fire table, grill, what have you, I have that opportunity to make that adjustment right here, okay? That's what these are for. All right, now that we have this together, in a couple of minutes, we're gonna move that over into place and connect it to the existing kitchen that we have. It's a U-shaped kitchen, kind of high end. And we'll go through the installation quite a bit with you on this. But right now, one base cabinet, second base cabinet in here. We have a end cabinet here, closed end. Grill cabinet for our grill unit. All right. And we're going to be tweaking this too. We're going to be cutting these rails out to be able to put refrigerator areas and different cabinet doors and things like that. Great system. I think you're going to do really well with this material.